Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Jasper AI account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in jasper.ai/contact/support. Then press enter and you will directly be taken into the support page for Jasper AI. Go ahead and accept the cookies and you will find the email address that you can use to contact Jasper AI. Go ahead and click on this, and this will open up your email app. You can also copy this email address and then log into your email account to compose a new email. Within the to section, simply type in the email that you just copied, which is the Jasper support email. Then within the subject section, type in delete my account. Now within the main body section, you can simply type in that you don't want to use Jasper anymore and you want your account to be deleted. After you type in your email, go ahead and click on the send button to send your email to the support team. Once your email has been sent, you will get a response within a few days, within which you will find the instructions to delete your account. Just follow the instructions and your account will be deleted. And that is how you can delete your account on the Jasper AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.